I'm Helge Pedersen with GlobeRiders, and I'm the lucky owner of this beautiful new 2012 1200GS Adventure, just the same as I had before, but now I'm getting ready to go to Tierra del Fuego. From Seattle to Tierra del Fuego, it's like 15,000 miles. I've done it a couple of times before. I know it's going to be a wonderful trip, but it's also going to be a tough trip. I'm here in the toy store at Touratech. I got all these beautiful parts that we are now going to put on the bike. But the most excited I'm about this project is the new Touratech Extreme shock absorber. On the last trip, 15,000 miles, I broke the BMW shock absorber. And I've broken every shock absorber on the GS since 1981. So it's a bad reputation, I don't like it, and I'm always nervous when I get a new bike. But with this one, the Touratech Extreme Shock, I think it's going to be great. Here is the old shock absorber from BMW that we are taking off. It's a completely good working one. And Alex is going to put in this new Touratech Extreme Shock. So what do you think, Alex?
Just by holding it in my hands, it's a fantastic quality. I would compare it definitely top of the line with any other competitor out there. High speed, low speed adjustment. The overall spring that is adjusted, the spring preload adjusted for Helge and his purposes, I think the shock will do a fantastic job. We're putting on the Touratech skid plate, which is a two-component deal. It's a stainless steel base with a rubber support that actually takes the impact. And then on top we have a smooth surface aluminum skid plate that will make the motor literally slide over the obstacles. That is a double feature safety for your engine for the motorcycle.
Yeah, I've had a couple of these bikes before, and I would never go on a big trip with a skid plate like that. And I learned very soon, very fast, that if you only have this, it gets even heavier duty as it is, it's not enough. That steel with the rubber, that's the ticket. I never had problems with that. And I always carry extra bushings because they usually get the beating on the road with bikes.